Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hawaiian Roller Coaster Ride on the piano. To begin, let's explore the foundational elements. The song is primarily in the key of F major, which means you'll encounter one flat, B flat in your scale. The core of the song relies on just three chords, F major, B flat major, and C major. Spend a few minutes getting comfortable with these shapes and their sound. Next, let's dive into the catchy melody that makes this song so memorable. Your right hand will carry the tune, often starting on the C note before moving to G. Another common melodic phrase begins on B flat and gracefully descends towards F. Listen closely to the original song to capture its joyful, rolling rhythm, aiming for a smooth and connected sound. Now, let's bring in your left hand to provide a solid foundation. The left hand typically plays the root notes of our three main chords, F, B flat, and C. You can play these as single notes or simple broken chords to add texture. The key is to keep it steady and supportive, allowing the right hand's melody to shine. Practice combining both hands at a slow tempo. Finally, it's time to put all the pieces together and enjoy the full Hawaiian roller coaster ride. Start by playing the entire song slowly, ensuring your hands are working in harmony. Break it down into smaller sections if needed, perfecting each phrase before moving on. As you gain confidence, gradually increase your speed, letting the music flow naturally and expressively. You'll be riding the waves in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.